Welcome, my name is Balazs and we have here the brand new VAIO Z Flip, which is only available in Japan, but we are here at the Computex so we can check out at the Microsoft booth everything we want and everything they're selling. And we want to show you this notebook because it's quite special, because they have a special feature here with the release flip here. It just flip to the side here in this notebook, and then you can do this with the display, which doesn't mean you should play around with it like that, but when you release it, you can use it actually as a tablet device like this, which is quite nice. Haven't seen that before. We have a hardware Windows button also, which is quite nice, and you can also easily let it stand up and then use it like this in an airplane, for example. This is kind of a tent mode, you could say. And we have here a camera on the front, but also a camera on the bottom, which is a little bit strange right here, with a lot of screws holding the bottom part together, and you can see the beautiful metal design also all around the device this way. And once I start up the camera, let me just flip it back in. Let me hit the Windows button here and then type camera. And we can show you guys that the front camera is a really amazing quality here, but the bottom camera is also quite nice to shoot maybe in tablet mode, anything that you want. This is my hand right now on the table, but you would obviously shoot like this probably here pictures when you have it in the tablet mode. We have also a pen in the box, so you can use it as a real creative device with two buttons, and it's an active pen, so even if you just go close to the display, it will react to, and then you have your little dot right there, which is quite nice because this is a high resolution display with 2560 times 1440 on 13 inches here in the Z Flip VAIO notebook, which is only available in Japan. And obviously not only this beautiful blue, but even in more colors with all kinds of ports like HDMI, headset, SD card slot and power. Then you have here the volume rocker, and on the next side you will have the on and off switch and two USB ports for your standard everyday needs. So thank you for tuning in. This was the VAIO Z Flip by Sony. Till next time, peace and again. My name is Balazs and thank you much for watching.